No, they can't have me. Girl, I'm breaking these habits. I'll put you where you wanna be. That's beside me, I promise. Let's get it poppin', yeah, let's get it poppin'. You went off to college, you're exploring your options, hey, hey. Why you over there with him, babe? Yeah. You need someone that's gonna win, babe. Yeah. I've been trying to swim, girl, you got me swimming good, oh no.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to slay a black girl like mine's edges. As you can see right now, my natural curly hair is braided. And you know, you need to take very good care of natural curly hair. You got a deep conditioner, all that. But right now I have it braided, so my curls, you can't see them. But you get this Eco Gel. And this is a major step in taking care of natural curly hair. Because you always want to make sure your hair is slayed and laid like mine is right now. And you get it and you take it and you lay your edges just like this and get a lot on it, like make sure it's overflowing, and you slay it, yes. And make sure you, right now my hair, my curls is laid down by my braids, and I'm gonna put them over the things too, and I'm just gonna go like that, just like that. Yes, if you follow these steps, you will always have natural, good curly hair just like me. Thanks for watching.
What's up, everybody? Vantrez coming at you with a brand new video on the goddamn internet. It's the internet warrior up in this bitch. And check out the new TNN&RAW shirt. Fresh as a bitch. Y'all know I like ghetto white bitches and how ghetto white bitches do their thing. But Woah Vicky has made a hair tutorial that somehow I skipped out on the last goddamn video and saw it. I said, I have to slay this bitch. Or I had to get my sword and slay this bitch. Hung guard, motherfucker. Woah Vicky is gonna show me how the fuck I can slay my baby hair, which is this hair right fucking here. Yes, baby hair. So she said eco styling gel and a toothbrush. So let's get into this shit. Now, while I'm doing this, I know it's gonna be one person talking about Vantrez. You got some horse cock, some fucking semen action going. You got some Lion King action going. The fuck is that on your bitch? It's not cum, it's jail.
Baby, love me. Yeah, you love me. Everything I heard about you tells your story. She wants to go after I've got you. She wants to go after I've got.
So this is the finished project. I know I fucked this up. So I can have all this beautiful natural curly hair, all luscious and shit. Faces like 3 motherfuckers done bust 20 nuts on my face, all up in my forehead. So I get, what the fuck? Man, fuck this shit. So if you like this ghetto ass hair video, slap a like on it, bitch. I know the females gonna love this shit. Nobody say I'm gay cause I'm doing hair tutorials on TNN&RAW. Y'all know I slay motherfuckers. I'm the internet warrior. YouTube, do not take this video down because of violence, because you didn't take down Jake Paul's video, and people been asking me to do Jake Paul. I'm gonna rip his asshole wide the fuck open without lotion, lube, or nothing. That motherfucker gonna catch the internet warrior. And make sure that you get your TNN&RAW merch. This is my new shirt. Brand new. This shit been selling like a motherfucking god trick. Okay guys, the next video.
But I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? You came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Just some money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
What the fuck I'm doing, bro?
Tell me, where have you been?